Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use a ReelShort app in proper way. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using the ReelShort app properly is all about enjoying or discovering short form addictive drama series in the best way, and maybe even making money as a creator if you are into storytelling. In order to use it in a proper way, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then once you're inside here, tap on the search bar and type in ReelShort. Then hit on search, and once the search list loads, tap or look up for the icon like this on your search list and then tap on it. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is sign into your account. To do it, tap on open, then once here tap on your profile icon, and then here what you need to do is tap on this profile name and then simply log into your account using your credentials. Then you will get to access free episodes, and you can unlock more by watching ads, using coins or paying. Then second is to browse and pick a series. Check the home feed and browse genres like romance, thriller, drama, fantasy, urban billionaire, mafia, etc. The stories are like Netflix shows but in short vertical form, usually 1 to 3 minutes per episode. Third is to watch episodes properly. Tap on the show and watch the first few episodes for free, and you can unlock new episodes by watching ads, by earning coins or free unlocks, and using ReelShort coins, that is in-app currency, and subscribing for VIP access, which is ad-free and faster unlocks. Fourth is to manage coins and unlocks. You'll earn free coins by daily logging in, watching ads, completing tasks or promos given in the app, and use coins to unlock premium episodes without ads. Then fifth is to save favorites and get notifications. Tap the heart icon to favorite a show, enable notifications to get updates when a new episode drops, then check continue watching to pick up where you left off. Now, if you are a creator, what you need to do is first write or pitch a story. Stories on ReelShort follow popular tropes: enemies to lovers, revenge, rich versus poor, vampire romance, and etc. They are short, fast-paced, and have cliffhangers at the end of almost every episode. You can pitch to ReelShort writing team via their official website or via production partners like Flex TV, Colossus, or Mogul. Then next is to monetize your work. Top creators and actors are paid per view or via profit sharing models. Some actors or directors use ReelShort as a launching pad for bigger opportunities in short form series. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.